don't join more than one MLM unless you can do this. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in the network marketing industry, there is always this debate of, should you be in more than one opportunity at the same time? Now, some people are firmly against that. They feel like you can only be in one opportunity and that's it. Other people are like, man, be in as many as you can. If you can be in five network marketing opportunities. It's on you, right? The more the merrier. Now, me personally, I'm kind of like in between, right? So currently right now, I am with 3 network marketing opportunities. All right. Now, I said it in the past, but like, look, damn it, I am not joining another network marketing opportunity. I am maxed all the way out at 3 opportunities. Now, one thing I do want to say about joining multiple opportunities, if you decide to do that, is I would recommend them not being in the same industry. So for example, I'm with Got Backup, which is a cloud storage service. Then I'm with Live Good, which is all about like health and wealth products. And then Nexus Snap, which is all about, discount and getting cash back every time you shop. So each of the opportunities I'm involved with is completely different. They're in completely different niches. So if you were to get in more than one, I would suggest they be in different niches. So if you do decide to get in more than one network marketing opportunity, I suggest that you'll be able to do these things. The first thing that you should be able to do is know what's going on in every opportunity. And what I mean by that is, like most companies, they always have like weekly meetings, right? Or if you're a part of their Facebook group, like there's different changes going on, maybe the comp plan, maybe a new product, maybe a new marketing strategy or whatever, right? They all got their own things going on in each company, and you should be up to date on what's going on in every opportunity that you're in. So if somebody messages me about Got Backup, Live Good, or Nexus Snap, I know exactly what's going on right now with every opportunity, and you should too. Another thing that you want to be able to do if you're involved in more than one company is find time to promote each one. Now, in my case, and most likely yours, if you're promoting more than one opportunity, you're probably going to be promoting one more than the other one, right? So like in my case, I promote Nexus Snap probably the most, then Live Good, and then Got Backup. But I make it a point, right, to find time to promote everything. So even though Got Backup I don't promote it that much, I still make time to promote it. I'm not going to let a month go by without, talking about Got Backup or giving an update on what's going on with Got Backup. Because I've seen people that's been a part of multiple opportunities, and like you'll see them promoting one, and then like a month later they're with a new opportunity. Now they're still with the other opportunity, but they never talk about the opportunity again. Like they let a whole year go by and never mention it again, right? Me personally, I make time to promote everything that I'm involved with. Because honestly, even though I don't promote Got Backup as much as I do Nexus Snap, all 3 of the opportunities I'm involved with are all dope ass opportunities, and they all have great earning potential and great products. So my job is to make sure I let people know I'm involved with all of them. And the last thing that I feel that you should be able to do if you're going to be involved with more than one opportunity is be willing to answer questions about all of them. So a couple months ago, somebody messaged me and they were asking me about Nexus Rewards or Nexus Snap. They're the same thing, but they was asking me questions about it, right? So I was talking about the opportunity, the program, and then they were like, wait, I also see that you would Live Good. And I'm like, yeah, I am. And then so they start asking me about Live Good. So I start telling them what I thought about Live Good and their comp plan, their products, and blah, blah, blah. But the point was, I made sure I answered the questions about that opportunity. So even though I don't promote Got Backup as much as I do the other opportunities, I'm still willing to talk to people about the opportunity because, like I said, it's a dope opportunity and somebody might want to join that opportunity. So I need to be able to help them and help them get started to be successful in that opportunity. So I do make it a point to answer questions about all three of the opportunities, no matter which one it is. And to be honest with you, all three of these opportunities are so simple and straightforward to get involved with. I don't really have to answer that many questions about any of them. So if you do feel that you can be successful in more than one network marketing opportunity, I say go for it. Now, if you want to check out Got Back Up, Live Good, or Nexus Snap, I will put all three of the links in the description, and hopefully I'll see you on one of my teams.